guys, in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can use the tefaafrik platform. So the very first thing is to go to Google and you type tefaafrik.com. After doing that, it takes you directly to the platform, and like you can see here, you see the login and the create account icons. So for create account icon, if you click on it, you're going to create an account, provided you have never created an account on the platform. But since I have created an account on the platform, as you can see the various informations, I will instead take the login because I have an account already. Now my information is already displayed. Though if the information is not displayed, you need to display the information, that is your username and your password. From there, you submit. Now you receive a notification telling you that you are actually in your account, meaning your credentials were correct. Now I'm going to dwell most on the GC section of the platform, because the platform is divided into 4: the GCE, the back, the concours, and the tech. So in this video I'm going to dwell most on the GC section. Now when I click on the GC section, let's see what displays. Now we have an instruction. Scroll down and click on your GC A-level subject of your choice. Now there are various subjects that we can find on the platform. We have further maths, physics, mathematics, chemistry, biology, computer science, economics, ICT, pure maths with mechanics and statistics as well. That's for the advanced level. Now for the ordinary level, we have these subjects that are present. So you just click on the subject that you want. For example, if I click on the general subject that everybody offers, let me click on chemistry. That's for the advanced level. Now when we click on chemistry, perfect, we have this display on the monitor. So like we can see at the top here, we have videos, notes, quizzes, and evaluations. Now on the platform, there are 5 ways that we can generally learn on the platform. The first is by watching the videos. Now what are the videos? If you click on the videos, this displays to you, you have lesson videos and we have exam solutions. Lesson videos, you see videos to the various topics that are present in the platform regarding the subject. Here we are dealing with chemistry, so you can see the video lesson on atomic and electronic structure, bonding and intermolecular forces, mole concept, chemical equilibrium and solubility, and so on and so forth. Now for the exam solutions, they are actually the exam solutions to the past GC equations, which we can find on the platform. We have June 2018 and 2019 paper 2, 2018 and 2019 paper 1, and 2020 paper 1. So all you need to do is actually to select what you want, the video you wish to do. Now it is very possible to switch subjects while being in a particular subject on the platform. As we can see, when you click on videos, this displays to you. Now it is written here, select your section of interest. Since you are in the GCE, maybe if you want to switch to the O level or to the back, it all depends on you. We are in the A level. Now select your subject of interest. If you want to switch to any other subject, you can select here and it takes you directly to that subject. So next, the notes. For example, all these topics that have video solutions have their notes attached to it. Now the quizzes, they have quizzes attached to them, and one of the important things are the evaluations. Now these evaluations are actually paper 1 type. As you can see, chemistry has already 6 evaluations, and then the mock evaluation as well, the TEFA mock chemistry A levels paper 1. So the 6 evaluations, each evaluation comprises of 50 standard GC MCQ questions to be answered in 1 hour 30 minutes. From there, after answering, the platform marks your answers automatically and gives your response, and maybe gives your position with respect to other people that have written this examination. So that's that for the evaluations. Okay, now the last section of the platform that we can study is actually the forum, which is also one of the most important. Now, what's the forum all about? It is a section of the platform where you can post your questions and you receive a reply either from a teacher or a student. Now, if you're using a mobile phone, this section is not going to be displayed to you, but to get to the forum, you simply click on add comments, or sorry, you click on comments. When you click on comments, now this section now displays to you. If you want to post your question, you click on add comments, and then either you text your question, what is solubility, for example, and then after doing that, you submit. Now, if your question is in picture form, you click on choose file, and then you choose the file in your device, and then make sure you write something in this text section, maybe help me with this question, before you submit to make it successful. So for example, if I submit this, after submitting, you're going to receive a notification to tell you if it was submitted or not. Now I have received a notification saying that it was actually submitted to the platform, and here I can see it, what is solubility. Now if you want to reply, you can come and reply here, you give the definition of solubility, and you also submit. So as you can see, people have been asking questions, others have been answering, and so on and so forth. So that's basically how to use the TEFA platform.